Hey everyone! Today, we're going all in on Bookmap versus footprint charts versus share chart versus level 2 data to see which is the definitive platform for order flow trading. Bookmap stands out with its visualization, heat maps, and ability to seek liquidity in real time. It's excellent for identifying hidden orders and gauging institutional behavior. Footprint charts give precise buying and selling imbalances right on your candlesticks. Sierra Chart is a professional-grade platform that combines advanced footprint analysis, custom studies, and a depth of market tools. And Level 2, well, basic remains the foundation, showing bids, ask, and order book flow, though without much advanced context. From our testing, Bookmap is unbeatable for visual clarity, but expensive and resource-heavy. Footprint charts are a balanced middle ground, affordable and integrated. Sierra Chart is highly customizable, offering serious traders flexibility, but it comes with a steep learning curve. Level 2 is the entry point, but feels limited compared to modern tools. Our conclusion: for professional traders, Sierra plus Footprint is an incredible combo. For visual order flow lovers, Bookmap is a game changer. And if you're just starting out, Level 2 is fine but won't cut it for a serious analysis. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.